There's a lot of misconception about women with darker skin not being able to carry off a completely black smoky eye. But if done the right way, this look can be a staple in your makeup arsenal, just like it is for me. Hi, I'm Rosalind, and today we are going to create a beautiful black smoky eye together. I always start my makeup with my eyes first. I'll start with concealing my eyelids, so I'm going in with a thin layer of concealer onto the eyelids to create a blank canvas for the eyeshadow to pop. Now I will add a brown shadow into my crease as a transition shade. A transition shade will help me blend my skin tone and the black eyeshadow. Now it's time to go in with the black eyeshadow. I'm using the Inglot Pure Pigment Black Eyeshadow, and I love to use this because it's really dark and pigmented. I'll start by patting in the black shadow from the center of the eyes and sweep it down towards the lash line. Now when you do this, remember to take your time blending this in and make sure you stay within the crease line. I'll build this up gradually until I get it nice and dark. Now I love how this looks, but it needs some finessing. So I'll use a clean blending brush to soften any harsh lines. One thing I always pay attention to when blending is to soften the harsh lines so the eye colors look like a continuous flow. Since the eyeshadow is black, I'm going to skip the eyeliner. And because I have small eyes, I'll apply a white eye pencil by Essence to my waterline to make my eyes look bigger. This is a time-tested trick and always works well. Now to make this look a little dramatic, I'll add a small amount of kohl to my lower lash and gently smudge it out using a smudging brush. Now let's dab some black matte eyeshadow on top of this to help set the kohl. This makes my eyes appear soft and dreamy. Let's quickly move on to the eyebrows. Since I have hooded eyes, I'm going to apply a matte highlighter that is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone close to my brow bone. This helps draw attention away from my hood and define the shape of my eyebrows. I always finish off a dramatic look with a wispy pair of false lashes. This just adds a little extra oomph that I absolutely adore. Then apply a coat of mascara on your upper and lower lash. Red and nude colored lipsticks complement a smoky eye perfectly by adding a pop of color or just keeping it classy. Have I given you enough reasons to try out this jet black smoky eye if you have chocolate skin? I hope so. Hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.